Learning Outcome 3.0 focuses on understanding how commercial negotiations should be undertaken to achieve successful procurement and supply outcomes. Negotiation is a structured process that requires preparation, communication, relationship management, and strategic thinking. This learning outcome develops the learner's ability to manage negotiation stages, apply persuasive techniques, use effective communication skills, and evaluate negotiation outcomes for continuous improvement. Procurement professionals are expected to conduct negotiations professionally and ethically while balancing organizational objectives with supplier relationships. Effective negotiation practices contribute to improved commercial agreements, operational performance, supplier collaboration, and long-term procurement success within competitive business environments. A major focus within this learning outcome is understanding the stages of a commercial negotiation. Learners examine negotiation phases including preparation, opening discussions, testing positions, proposing solutions, bargaining, reaching agreement, and closing negotiations. The module highlights how behaviors and communication styles often change during different negotiation stages and how procurement professionals must adapt accordingly. Effective negotiation management requires careful coordination, emotional control, and strategic planning throughout the process. Learners also study the importance of maintaining positive supplier relationships after negotiations conclude, recognizing that long-term supplier collaboration is often more valuable than short-term competitive gains achieved during individual procurement discussions. The module also examines negotiation approaches and tactics that influence the achievement of desired outcomes. Learners study the use of persuasion methods and negotiation tactics that may affect supplier behavior, decision-making, and bargaining positions. Procurement professionals must understand how to apply influence ethically while avoiding tactics that may damage trust or create conflict. The learning outcome demonstrates that successful negotiators balance assertiveness with collaboration and remain focused on achieving mutually beneficial agreements. Strategic negotiation approaches help organizations improve pricing, service quality, contract terms, and operational performance while maintaining professional supplier relationships and supporting sustainable procurement objectives. Communication skills are presented as essential components of successful commercial negotiations. Learners examine different types of questioning techniques, active listening methods, push and pull behaviors, and non-verbal communication practices. Procurement professionals must communicate clearly, interpret supplier responses accurately, and manage discussions professionally to build understanding and achieve agreement. The module emphasizes that effective listening often provides valuable information regarding supplier priorities, concerns, and negotiation flexibility. Strong communication skills also support relationship building, conflict resolution, and stakeholder management during procurement discussions. Successful negotiators therefore combine technical procurement knowledge with interpersonal capability and emotional awareness to achieve positive commercial outcomes. Cultural awareness and emotional intelligence are also important themes within Learning Outcome 3.0. Learners study how local customs, cultural expectations, and behavioral differences influence commercial negotiations across different business environments and international markets. Procurement professionals operating globally must adapt communication styles and negotiation approaches appropriately to maintain respect and build effective supplier relationships. The module also explores the role of emotional intelligence in understanding behaviors, managing emotions, and responding constructively during negotiations. Emotional intelligence supports trust, collaboration, and effective conflict management, enabling procurement professionals to maintain productive discussions and achieve sustainable agreements even in challenging negotiation situations. The learning outcome further highlights the importance of reflection and performance evaluation after negotiations have been completed. Learners explore methods for assessing negotiation effectiveness, identifying strengths and weaknesses, and recognizing opportunities for improvement. Procurement professionals are encouraged to review negotiation outcomes carefully to improve future preparation, communication, and bargaining strategies. Reflection supports continuous professional development and enhances organizational learning within procurement teams. The module demonstrates that negotiation competence develops through experience, evaluation, and adaptation. Organizations that encourage reflective practice are better positioned to strengthen negotiation capability, improve supplier management, and achieve greater procurement value over time. Overall, Learning Outcome 3.0 of Commercial Negotiation, L4M5, provides learners with a comprehensive understanding of how commercial negotiations should be conducted within procurement and supply management. The module develops knowledge of negotiation stages, persuasive techniques, communication skills, cultural awareness, emotional intelligence, and reflective learning practices. Learners gain the ability to undertake negotiations strategically and professionally while balancing commercial objectives with long-term supplier relationships and ethical standards. By understanding effective negotiation processes and behaviors, procurement professionals are better prepared to secure favorable agreements, strengthen supplier collaboration, manage procurement risks, and contribute strategically to organizational procurement performance and business success.